said she liked watching how each of us were helping each other. So she must watch some of them.
Yeah.
Well,
But
she's gonna see this one and be like, oh, they're halfway done, and
yeah. Sorry, Professor. We
That's
forgot
my
to start
bad.
the video. All right, so number 6.
Okay.
so it's the 4 times thing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the largest is less than 4 times the smallest variance.
Yeah, I read that somewhere in that lesson plan. Where was that?
It's under 3.2 the requirements.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's 4. And number 7, is this 6?
Oh, we gotta do it right here. If there are 3 samples. I don't know. How'd you get 6? Did you just...
I just paired up the number. But I
That's
could.
what I got too, because you compare 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4,
Yeah.
Okay.
2 to 3, 2 to 4, and 3 to 4, and that covers them all.
Yeah. That's what I got too.
So you got 6?
Yeah.
Can you say that again? Can you repeat that? You compare the 1 to 2, the 1 to 3, and the 2 to 3?
So you would compare, like it shows right there, there are 3 pairs, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and 2 to 3.
Yeah.
So under 4, you'd compare 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and 1 to 4. Then you'd have to compare 2 to 3 to 2 to 4, and then 3 to 4, and that covers all of the 4s, all of the 3s, and 2s and 1s.
Oh, okay. I see. That makes sense.
All right, so this is the one where we need SPSS.
Did your data get pulled up in Excel?
No.
The-
There's 2 data links on there. So if you go down to the lower section, it'll pull up in SPSS.
Okay, I must have clicked the Excel one.
Yeah.
All right.
So we're looking for the p-value. And it says that we need to remove socks data. How do you remove the socks data?
Do you just not include it in the test that you have to do, like the paired test? So instead of having, was it 6 total things, you'd have 5 and then just conduct a test with each of the pairs, but excluding the socks.
How do you exclude them though? Do you just delete them, or?
Would you just do the test without it? Like, let's see. I think, yeah, wouldn't you just have to, because we have to do a test for each of the pairs that we're going to be looking at. Would you just do the tests without that socks group and just leave that? Or I don't know if you deleted it or not. But
I don't know how to delete.
Yeah.
Unless we don't include kicking accuracy, but that wouldn't make sense.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah, because the accuracy is what we're testing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to try and delete all the socks.
Yeah.
I'll be able to reload the data if we need them.
Yeah.
just delete it one by one.
Yeah, I don't know of a better way to do it.
Oh, I see. Hmm. Well, that didn't do anything. Well, for me, I'm gonna delete them all too. Why would they make us delete all this? Much easier if they just said they just didn't include socks.
Yeah.
So
All
without
right.
the p value, I mean without the socks, I got a p value of 0.309.
See here. Let me see if I got the same.
Sorry, mine's taking forever to come up.
That's okay.
I got. I got a. Did you say a p-value of 0.309?
Yeah.
That's what I got. If we did it right, that's what I got.
I don't know why we would have done it wrong, as long as there must be an easier way to remove one of the values. I just don't remember reading about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely don't know.
My SPSS keeps pulling up like an empty table. It won't give me the data.
That's okay.
I'll take. Can I use your answer for?
Yeah, you
I'll go back and I'll email you if I got anything different.
can. You're fine. Don't worry about it. If it won't pull up.
Okay.
So
I'm going to
yeah,
pull it up again with socks and make sure that the p-value matches up with socks that she gave us.
Okay.
p-value definitely went up for number 9 then. Is that true?
I would think. I would think so, but I'm not sure.
Okay, so yeah, with socks we have the same p-value that she did.
All right, good.
Except it doesn't quite go in depth, but when you round it, it equals the same.
Oh, okay.
Because it gives 0.081 instead of 0.0809.
Oh,
I mean, you'd round it to 081, so.
yeah.
All right.
So 9's true then, we decided, right?
I think. I mean, according to what just happened, p-value definitely went up. So. Oh my goodness.
Is that comparing the p-value of 6, like the 0.081, to the 0.309?
There's got to be a... Yeah.
So would the one with all 6 be lower than the p-value with just the 5?
I think it wants us to remove each one by one and get the highest one, isn't it?
That's what I understand it as.
So I have...
Uh-huh.
There's got to be an easier way to do it. We just don't know how.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just gonna... How about each of us delete one? See what we get.
All right, so I'll delete group A.
Okay. I'll do B.
If I can pull mine up, I'll do C. Struggling this morning. Does that ever happen to you guys? Just like an empty table will pull up?
I don't think I've ever had that happen.
Yeah. Ah, there we go. Alright, I've got mine up.
So if you want to do C,
Yeah. So you guys just highlighted them and deleted them?
You have to delete. At least mine makes me delete them one by one.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, that's how I had to do it too.
That's mine, yeah.
All right, when I've got the results for A done.
What is it?
0.60 when you remove A.
Okay, so that's definitely higher.
All right, so you're doing B, C, so I'll do the next one. I'll do D.
Okay.
So for this data, are you just doing the ANOVA test?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm assuming that we keep the socks value with this too, right? Or are we taking socks out?
Yeah, I think we would. Did you guys do a recode first
Yes.
before you did it? Okay.
All right. Sorry, that took me a long time. I'm just pulling it up right now. So P-value or sig, 0.52 for B. So definitely A so far is the highest.
For D is 0.031.
0.031.
Yeah.
Okay.
So depending on what C shows, A will be the highest.
We still got to do E though, don't we?
E was the first one we did. We took socks off, and that was 0.3.
Oh, okay.
Oh, jeez. Sorry, guys. My thing is going crazy this morning. I don't know.
Here, I'll start pulling it up too,
Okay.
just in case yours keeps fighting you.
Yeah. Sorry. I don't know why this is
Or maybe it's
this morning.
E. Because wasn't the first one 0? Oh, no. Never mind. Never mind. So you said for A it was 0.60?
Yeah.
Okay. That's probably our number.
That's what I'm thinking. And C is 0.448.
Yeah.
So 0.6.
Okay. Do you think it's bad if we put 0.600 for the 3 decimal places?
In the past ones, I've just put, like, for these ones, I just put 0.6, and it's always been fine.
Okay. All right. So
we can move on. I'm just gonna have to look at this a little bit harder later, but mine's just giving me a weird time right now.
okay. So on the SPSS, how do you get the variance?
So that's the one thing I didn't understand super well. Let's see, I've got the textbook pulled up here.
Yeah.
Okay, so the variance is the square root of the standard deviation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's kind of like what we learned a long time ago, right?
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
just
I
couldn't
have to go back and
remember.
look at it.
Yeah, there's so much stuff we've learned.
Yeah.
So of the total standard deviation, right? So 6.026 square root. Where's a calculator?
So, I mean, all the standard deviations are really close to each other, so you think that they would be... You think it would be within 4.
What is the minimum? So you don't use the total. Dang.
Alright, I got them all computed here.
Oh yeah, me too. Would it be C? Or C's the lowest?
Yeah, the 2.8, 2.28.
Yeah, that's what I... Wait, is it 2.28?
So like 2.284.
Okay, that's what I got too.
I feel kind of useless this morning.
That's okay.
And so the largest would be D at 2.700, right?
B or D?
D.
Okay, yeah, D. That's what I got. 2.700.
I guess so, because, I mean, then it goes to a 1 and that won't round, so 2.7.
Yeah.
So the test variances are all within 4, so they're equal.
So I don't understand when you say they're all within 4. What does that mean?
I just assumed 4 numbers, but I guess I don't fully understand.
4 numbers, so like they're all 2? Is that what you mean? They're all within...
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay.
Or at least 4 times as big. So, I mean, if any of these were multiplied by 4, divided by 4, they all fall within that range.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, now construct a QQ plot.
How do you construct the QQ plot again?
So that's when you go under Analyze, go to Descriptive Statistics and hit Explore.
Oh, okay.
Transfer your things over, then you hit Plots and hit Normal Plots with Tests. Normality Plots with Tests.
Oh, there it is.
They all look like they're normally distributed to me.
Oh, let's see here.
So you do plug in the normality plots with tests?
What was that?
You had to mark the little box that says normality
Oh,
plots with
single
tests?
plots.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they all look
You guys
pretty.
there?
Oh, whoa.
So what's going to be the dependent list for this QQ test? I should probably look that up real quick.
I think we lost Jeff.
Oh, did we?
I think so.
His face.
There we go.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I'm back. Seems like every other week it kicks me out for some weird reason.
I didn't know if you were gone because your face was hidden by the corner of my paper, and then Sean was like, "He's gone," and I took it off, and your face was frozen right behind it.
So it's true then for the QQ plot?
Yeah.
Because I'm looking, what is the detrended normal QQ plot?
In the reading it says don't look at the detrended ones.
Okay, because I'm like, those don't look normal.
Yeah, you look at just the first four, the normal QQ plots.
Yeah, they all do look normal.
And then if I remember right in the reading for this next part, it says that the
Yes, that's true.
p-value is always to the right, isn't it?
Yeah, the right.
Yeah.
All right. Moment of truth. We missed 4. Don't submit it yet.
How do we miss 4?
So in deleting, we must have done something wrong. So
Well,
9, the p-value does not always go up. That is false.
So it's not B and C then.
Number 10 is wrong, number 11 is wrong, number 12 is wrong. 13, 14, 15, everything else is right. So it is B and C for number 4.
Okay.
But I don't know. I don't know how to do it. I mean,
We
it
got
must be a simple way to delete all of them to see the differences, but
yeah. So it's 10, 11, 12, and 13.
yeah, so if you want to change 9 to false, you'll at least get that one right. But 10, 11, and 12, I don't know. I don't know how to change it, so.
Yeah.
So, anyway.
Well, shoot, I don't remember reading about any of that in the reading, how to change it.
Me neither.
Looks like we've got some more homework to do before
Yeah.
Yes.
quiz and test.
Mhm.
Man, I've got a ton of homework for this class. Like,
I know.
I'm pretty scared about it.
Yeah. This test.
Can't end on a good note right now. Just get the grade we have now and be done.
Yeah.
So
We still have 2 more tests in this class, don't we?
after this one, so we have 3 more tests total.
Ah, wow.
Did we ever figure out if it's all accumulative or do you just go
It
over the
is.
stuff? It is all cumulative?
I was asking a friend that took this class last semester, and she said it's all cumulative.
That sucks.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
So I got to refreshen up on the other stuff.
So I'm assuming that the next group meeting this week, right before, will be just like the last one where we just do basically prep work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm assuming. Which is good. I guess we can all go over it and try to get it done.
Yeah.
Do as much as we can. And if we can't get it, then, I mean...
Know what you got to study.
Because I'm going to need to do a lot of refreshing up on this stuff. My notes, like that page of notes is like jam-packed. And like, I don't think it's going to help me at all. There's so much stuff. But
I know. When you're packing it in so much, it's kind of hard because sometimes you have to smash it down so bad that you don't remember what it is.
exactly.
All right, so when should we plan on meeting? Thursday morning, is that okay with everyone?
Yeah.
Does that
Yeah.
work for you, Sean?
That should work fine. Do you have work on Wednesday?
I'm in a class all day tomorrow at the hospital.
Okay.
No problem. Let's do it. What?
We go at 8?
That works for me.
Can.
Okay. Sounds good. 8 o'clock.
Okay.
See you guys.
All right.